All right, beginning guitar players, we're going to do a chord workout. After the end of this video, if you do this video once a day for about a couple of days, you're going to be able to switch chords, I promise. Okay, we're going to use 4 chords in this video. We're going to do a G chord. We're going to do an E minor chord. We're going to do a C chord. And we're going to do a D chord, okay? Pause the video if you need to learn those chords, but that's a good set of first 4 chords for everybody to start with, okay? We're going to start with whole notes, okay? So we're going to do just one strum on the first beat, okay? The rule is you must hit the strum on the first beat, okay? You'll hear the metronome clicking here in a moment, okay? So you're going to go like this. 1, click, 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 1, click, click, click. Okay, so hit on the 1 no matter what. I don't care if it sounds like that. That's totally fine, as long as you're forcing yourself to continue to strum. Okay, let's do this for about 5 minutes. We'll do whole notes, then we'll do half notes, then we'll do quarter notes. I'll explain as we go. I'm playing with you all the way. Okay, here comes the metronome. Let's do it. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, ready, strum, and 2, 3, and go. Don't stop. 2, switch, 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 go. 2, 3, a little more now. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 2. Keep going. Don't stop for any reason. Keep going. Fight through it, and 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and strum, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2. Let's do it 5 more times. How about that? 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 4. Second time. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3 more times. And 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. 2 more times. Ready, go. And 2, 3, and 4. 4, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we're going to do half notes. Listen to me once. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Ready? Join me and go. And 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 2, 3, and switch. 2, 4, 2, great job, okay? You stop that metronome. Okay, so there's a video, work out with that video, okay? Do it every day. Do it. If you do it every day for just once through, I promise after a couple of days. Remember, don't stop strumming. Hit on the one. That is the rule of the universe in strumming. If you do it that way, it'll come to you really quick. Hope you enjoyed this video.